Alright guys, I'm back in Blender. I just want to show you a couple more things about your camera view. If I go to view, and we discussed that you can go to align view, and I want to go to align active camera to view. So then I'll get that bounding box and I know where my camera is looking. Okay, so there's my camera. See when I scroll in and out with the scroll button, I'm like, I'm not digging that. It's like it seems to zoom in and out just on the object. And I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is this pull out menu, if I click the plus, it's going to pop out. When I have it aligned to the camera view, I can hit lock camera to view. So you'll get the red bounding box. And this is a nice, look at that. I can move my object, but my camera is now locked. I'm gonna hit G. So now if you're trying to place things and you're like, I really want to zoom in or I want to zoom out, then that's how you're going to be able to change that view. I think that's really helpful. If you want to get off of that and then you want to just go back to your regular viewport, what I do is I just go to align view and then I always have to hit view selected. Oh, it's not doing it. Okay. Oh, because I locked the camera. So you have to unlock the camera. The mistake I made was unlock the camera, align view, view selected. Okay, and then I can zoom back out. And then I see the camera, but I don't get the bounding box, and then I can rotate and move around. Okay, so that's how you lock your camera view and remove the bounding box if you're trying to just go back to working regularly in Blender.